Hi, my name is Dr. Benjamin Bieber, and I have a fine gentleman here who is in his 60s, and he has severe osteoarthritis of his right hip.
Mm-hmm.
And can you please tell me, because of the severe osteoarthritis in the right hip, what are the things that really bugged you, or activities that really annoyed you that you couldn't do, or that was paining you, activities or anything because of the hip?
Well, before this thing happened, I used to like to walk. I used to walk long distances, and when it started happening, I found became progressively difficult to do that. Could walk maybe a few blocks, and then my leg would just all tighten up, and I'd have to stop and rest for a few minutes, and then I could continue on. But that was getting progressively worse. So I talked to my regular doctor about it, and he said, "Go see Dr. Bieber. He'll take care of you." And since I've been here, since I've undergone the treatment, I found now I can walk again. I'm not back to where I was before this all happened, but I'm way better than I was before I came here.
And the treatment was a special complex regenerative medicine stem cell procedure
Mm-hmm.
with 3 boosters of platelet-rich plasma. So tell me now, what is much better for you now since you've had uh, the stem cell procedure?
The immediate effect I felt was I was able to sleep through the night. Um, that was that's another thing. It's not apparently obvious to if you don't know have arthritis but that you you will wake up quite a few times during the night just from the pain. So, and the first thing I noticed was after the treatment was that I could get a good night's sleep. So I'm very happy about that. I mean, it's been, like I said, it's not uh, the way it was before. I doubt it'll ever be, but it's much better than it was, you know, before I came here. And and I'm happy with that because it's better than the alternative. Because I was looking forward to, the only thing I had to look forward to was like total hip replacement. And if this can replace it or just postpone it, I'm happy with that. So yeah, I'm glad I did this.
Very good. Right. Thank you for telling people about this, because
Mm-hmm.
they don't know that this exists. That there is a stem cell procedure you can have, which is very safe, highly successful, instead of going for an invasive joint replacement, a hip replacement. And
Mm-hmm.
thank you.
Yeah, I mean, before I talked to my doctor about it, I didn't even know this thing existed. So I thought the only um, so recourse was total hip replacement surgery. So, and I wasn't really looking forward to that because I really don't like the idea of people going in and messing around with the plumbing.
Mhm.
So, but I'm glad I did this. I really am, and it was worth it, and it's it's also much cheaper than what.
And you just told me just before that you went to this delicious Turkish restaurant,
Oh yeah,
and back and forth from your home.
which is the distance is about little over a mile, and I was able to walk to the restaurant, have a nice dinner, walk back home, and not and not feel any pain. Sore, yeah, a little bit, but not pain, not pain. I didn't have to stop on the way back and rest up for a few minutes and to get my to get the pain to subside before I could continue on. I could walk from my house to the restaurant, have dinner, walk all the way back without having to stop.
That's great.
And so it one of the things that it's like when you have arthritis, it's really difficult to do the things that even the routine things that you used to do. So I'm happy. I'm happy that I'm able to go back and do some of these things.
Well, thank you very much, and thank you for telling people that they don't have to go for a joint replacement if they don't want to.
Yeah, and I don't know what else to say really. I'm very happy. I'm very thankful to Dr. Bieber.